Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to log out WhatsApp. The first thing we will do is make a recent backup of our WhatsApp data so that we can have it available if we log in again. To do this, we are going to open WhatsApp and click on the three upper points. Then we click on Settings. Then we're going to click on Chats and then on Chat Backup. Now we are going to make a backup so that our data is saved in the cloud. After that, we can log out of WhatsApp. The easiest way to do this is by uninstalling the application. To do this, you can hold down its icon and click on Uninstall. Finally, you will just have to go to the Play Store and reinstall WhatsApp. You will see that it asks for your information to log in from scratch. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.